Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine at home. Student, today we will do words with sound of E. Let's start. Firstly हम डालेंगे डेट 4 मई 2021, date Tuesday, class work. And today's topic is words with sound of E. Okay. Let's start. Firstly, bed, bed. Bed means palang. pen, pen. Kalam. den, gufa. jet, jet viman. hen, murgi. fell, fell. गिरना. red, लाल, लाल रंग. Okay. wed, शादी. net, जाली. bell, bell means घंटी. fed means खिलाया. well, well means कुआ. pet means पालतू. set छिपना, सूर्य छिपता है ना. ten, 10. bat means कीला. Okay, understand?